Hey gang, it's Randy, Randog 1951, September 12th, 2021. Right, I just now got my second gas line on. I still don't have the pipe clip, hose clamp up there yet, but it's directly above that blue plastic piece where, anyhow, wanted to show you guys where it was. That's the second one, and it took this guy, and it took this guy, the long nose, and on the other side, it eventually took this guy. And I just wanted to show you it can be done. It's taken me a half hour, just about on each side, to get in there and get this done. It's tight, and patience is a must. So there's a quick progress report. So I hope it helps somebody. I didn't want to hook the camera up and let you watch me struggle and cuss and get frustrated. So, all right, take care, stay safe, sunny side up, people. So long.